Hey guys, it's your boy Josh back with the video, and today we'll be playing Greenville. They got some brand new cars, and I could tell already this has to be the brand new Chevy. What would they call these? The truck. Yeah, there you have it. Chevy. They're making electric cars now. Yeah, this car right here, I'm gonna keep my eyes on this car right here. I know I got a brand new car and haven't been using it. So I thought, let me buy another car. Well, I've been working at Twist, my job. Been getting a lot of money. I thought buying something that wouldn't cost too much hurt my money bank. We're not going to the old cars this time. We're gonna buy something new. 2017, let's buy something from here, like a Volkswagen. Another Volkswagen I'm looking at. 2022 BMW. Damn, that costs a lot. I think a Volkswagen would look 2019. Alright, this is where the cars start costing a lot here. That green car is not that much. It's an E2. Mostly police cars here. Alright. I wish I had a lot of money on me right now. Hey, there's nothing wrong with cars these days. So I think a Subaru with that could do it. Tuscany. I'm buying this. 15,000. I'm getting in this color. Oh, they cost more for these thingies. Of course I'm gonna get the one that costs more. Nah, I'm joking. Actually, I am. There goes money in the bank. That was another car brought. You know what I said? My goal is I want to buy every car in this game. 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cars right now. Check it out. Alright. So what cost more was the headlights or the front right here? Alright, say less. It's way faster than other cars. Yo, in the future, when I get more money by driving and getting my job, I'm gonna get an electric car soon. I'm telling you that. Uh-oh. Oh, this has thingy to it. It has that. Ain't no way we just crashed right now. Man, I was coming from the... Yo, race car Jeep. Your scat pack Jeep. It's fine. I didn't see you. And the dusty police are here. Oh my gosh. Well, we're paying him. So he's gonna be paying when I brought this brand new car. Alright, same list. Oh, this is what the crash looks like. Dang, I just got this brand new car from that dealer. car already crashed. He's gonna pay a thingy. This thing has whatever they call the thingy, like the protector, and that's actually cool. I do not know where I'm going. Yeah, it has that thingy, but it's kind of like late. Like when you crash, it shows you. It doesn't show you like later. Man, I've been breaking all these rules. This is a Cooper. Gotta get to my gas station right here. Man, I'm disappointed about that crash. Coming out with this brand new car, it cost me $7,000. The first thing I do, crash it. I'm gonna end the video right here. Thing just got dusty. You don't look brand new anymore, but yeah. I should have paid attention. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!
Hey guys, it's your boy Joshua. This is the end of the video. If you want, subscribe, watch more videos. We catch you later.